Hey guys, I'm going to be demonstrating my winch mount that I put on my flatbed truck and how I can easily roll up these logs without the use of a tractor. I just have some wide ash beams, or ramps I should say. The winch cable comes off, goes around the log, comes back, attaches to this strap right here. That strap then is anchored to the two side rails. You could do this with a deck over trailer as well, or a flatbed. It's the kind of rail system I have right now. And I just took these ash beams and kind of wrapped them with this steel that wraps around the channel there so it can't come out. And anyway, stay tuned here and I'll show you how this thing works. Just like that. Not too terrible. You don't have to have a tractor on the job either.